speaking to a huge crowd. He said, "People of Turkey, we will make the Ottoman Empire again. And all these powers that I've been getting are also a part of it. And now we will regain the lost statuses of the Muslims." After addressing the crowd, the Erdogan sat in his seat again. He had a smile that was filled with so much pride. Then I saw big people of evil forces became angry when they saw this. They said that this man is very dangerous. After getting this much power, he will be able to do anything. And his plans are dangerous as well. And if he wants to be like the Ottoman Empire, then he will be even more dangerous. Another person said that he should be stopped at any cost. He has already started his mission and he is conquering Syria. Another person said that he might become a very strong leader from the Muslims. No matter what happens, we have to stop him from getting more power. Otherwise, this will be a big problem for us. We have to pave the way.